The House of Representatives has approved the bill on establishing a Special Defense Economic Zone inside Camp General Antonio Luna in Bataan. The House Bill, number 8212, will establish a government-sanctioned weapons industry that will produce conventional weapons and equipment for domestic use and export. This will also boost the country's competence in the field of arms research and development. So if this will be put into action on the next years, you may proudly say that the weapon is truly Filipino-made. But of course, this will start on little things such as manufacturing of bullets, pistols, and assault rifles. The existing government arsenal in the Philippines, located in Bataan, will be converted into Special Defense Economic Zone. This will help the armed forces of the Philippines in its modernization program in the future and strengthen the economic and defense capability of the country. Based on the bill, investments are very much welcome for added funds for the planned program. Investors' visa will be provided to foreign investors with investment of at least $200,000. This also helps in unemployment problems of the country, as new companies and industry will grow in Bataan and Filipino workers will be in need for the weapons manufacturing. For now, the bill needs to pass the Senate, and after that will be the final approval of the President. Thank you for watching our video. We'll see you next time.